I'm so happy you're here. My name is Nicole and I would love to introduce you to my Serger online course, Love Your Serger. This course is designed in a way that it can be done with any Serger model, and we are having now already thousands of happy students that have learned to love their Serger in this course with all kinds of Serger models. The course is built up in a way that you first get to know your Serger in detail with all its settings and functions. You get a lot of information on Serger accessories, thread and needles. You learn to master threading your Serger with 2 different techniques. We are serging together 22 different stitches. You get to know really cool Serger techniques. You learn a lot about decorative stitching, and we're creating beautiful, colorful Serger seams. I have designed for you a troubleshooting presentation in which you learn to solve all kinds of problems that can come up on your Serger. You learn a lot about cleaning and maintenance of your Serger. We're serging together 2 beautiful projects, 1 tote bag and 1 pillowcase, and you learn to master difficult situations on your Serger. I have created this course with a lot of love and passion, and I stand behind it 100%, which is why I'm giving you a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can buy this course completely risk-free, try it, and if you don't like it, just return it within 30 days and you get your money back. I would be very, very happy to have you in this course, and I'm very grateful that you watched this video.